Method 1. Troubleshooter. Press Windows I to open Windows settings, then click Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Click Hardware and Devices and run the Troubleshooter to locate errors. Method 2. Update the device driver. Enter Device Manager. Go to Disk Drives and right-click on your selected drive. Then select the Update Drivers option. Select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Method 3. Rollback driver. Locate the device that you want to roll back driver. Right-click on your targeted drive and click the Properties button. Under the Driver tab, click Rollback driver. Method 4. Install latest Windows. A Windows update prevents this type of Windows error by updating the operating system with the most recent security fixes. And if your system is due for an update and you haven't yet conducted it, error code 10 is likely the consequence of the previous version. Method 5. Fix corrupted registry entries. Press Windows R to run the dialog box and type regedit in the window. Go to this path. Under the class key, locate your problematic class GUID from the list. You can view the common device class GUIDs on Microsoft official web, and link is in the description. Right-click on Upper Filters and Lower Filters, and select the Delete option. If you don't see either value listed, this solution isn't for you. Method 6. Re-enable the USB controller. Connect your USB to the computer. Enter Device Manager. Then click the Universal Serial Bus Controllers button. Right-click on your USB controllers, then click Uninstall Device, Uninstall. Restart your PC. The machine will reinstall all the USB controllers. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.